first ever haul from Spotlight Cosmetics and from Ever Belenas from Elana. This is actually what I'm super excited for. So this is the tote bag that you receive upon registration. So we were able to purchase different tickets, depends on the amount that you are willing to pay for. I was super shocked. I was super surprised that I received a full tote bag, and this is also gonna be the first time that I'll be seeing the inside of this bag, the products included in this bag. So I'm super excited. I'm really grateful for the local brands that collaborated with Project Vanity for this, because this is the first ever Beauty Creator Summit that happened here in the Philippines, and I was just super excited. So this is how it looks like. So do you see how much product it has? I'm really super excited because I think there are also a lot of products that I haven't tried, like local beauty products. So here we go. I'll be starting off with the products that I got from the booths. So first is the Ever Belena. This is the lippy. Look at that! This looks so good. Ah! Next is we got from Spotlight. Wait. Huh? Okay. Akala ko may eyeliner. Pen ko pala. Proceeding to the tote bag. So first in the bag is the Chuchu Beauty. Ah! I haven't tried products from Chuchu Beauty, but I've always found their products super cute. Have you seen a beauty blender like this? Guys, it's only in the Philippines. How it looks like. The multi-use paint. Ah! See, Chuchu Beauty, you never fail for the cutest products. Ah! I'm super excited. Sorry. Makeup excites me just by looking at it. Oh, oh my gosh. This is from Heroin Make. I was so happy with this. This is a Heroin Make Prime Liquid Eyeliner. It's hard for me to find an eyeliner or mascara that wouldn't smudge because I sweat easily, I oil up easily, though my skin type is combination. So next is this one from Dazzle Me. Setting spray. Next is a curl lash from Glamfix. Monday Hair Care. This one from Cutie Clips from Tillo. Tapis from Tapis. Dietary supplement. And sachet from sunscreen. Sachet from Oxycure. Arms from Fresh Formula. From Derm Tropics. Shampoo and conditioner. Verblena. But that's how it looks like. Another one from Spotlight. So this is a blurring primer. No pores blurring primer. Another one from Spotlight. Wow. Spotlight, you are nailing this. Thank you for giving so much. Lip and Cheek Cream Supreme. Ooh, look at that. If you know me, I'm really a sucker for red lippies, red lipsticks. I love red lipsticks. Another one from Spotlight. I think it's the same blush. So this one is in the shade Brick Rouge. Another one from Spotlight. Serum Cushion Foundation. Wow. I just hope that it would um complement my skin. Another one from Caroline is Aloe Vera Soothing Gel Serum from Hello Glow. Next is Dazzle Me Skin Tint. Nice. Blush from Everblena. I've been saying this a lot online. Pocket Inhaler. Ultimate Brow Fix. Next is Dazzle Me Lip Tint. Dazzle Me Lip Tint. And another one from Everbilena, the Serum Tinted Balm. And this is in the shade Latte. I wanna see. Ah, it looks so cute. Wow. This would definitely look good on me. So this is a voucher. This is a voucher from Clean Canteen and the rest of their brands. That is it actually. So this is now empty. That is it for my Project Vanity slash Beauty Creator Summit haul. So I was shocked and I'm so happy with these products. A lot of this I haven't really tried. I was able to try was from the Fresh Formula, Get Ready With Me, but the rest I haven't really tried it yet. So I'm so happy that I would be able to try these products. I hope I'll see you the next time again. Bye!